So what we have is a 2600 tool with a 99 BOM-12-FRAH nose. The nose is composed of puller jaws, a collet, anvil, and a retaining ring. First, we're going to insert the puller jaws into the collet. Then we take the collet and we thread it onto the piston. For this particular setup, we see that this piston has timing grooves as well, along with a ball lock. So we thread it all the way down. Once the collet is bottomed out, we back it off until we find the ball lock falls into the groove. So there it falls into the groove. Then we slide the anvil over top. For the final step, we're going to take this retaining ring, slide it down, and thread it on. And we'll take an adjustable wrench and snug that on there.